Selamat tengah hari saya ucapkan. The second question, the second issue is of course raised by the opposition on the somewhat decline in terms of our world competitiveness report. And instead of being too defensive, apologetic, and giving all the excuses, I said, yes, we acknowledge there are some issues, but we're addressing it. We must thank the institute and the report for identifying in detail issues that we have to give more consideration. And this is the position that we as the government take, not necessarily to be defensive and to defend what is probably indefensible. But what are the key issues? Number one, that in terms of economic stability, we are still ranking number 8 in the world, which is really impressive. But there are certain clear decline in terms of competitiveness due to 3 factors. Number one, the ringgit. Because last year, the ringgit was badly adversely affected, although all the other fundamental figures in terms of growth, investments, and low inflation, low unemployment are registered, but still we had this problem. But fortunately in the last few months, you see this change, phenomenal change, which means it is fair to say that one of the issues raised in the report, that the decline is due to the ringgit, now has been addressed. Now, second issue is, of course, this is the lack of clarity and commitment on the part of the political leadership on the issue of economic management, namely subsidy rationalization. And now, somewhat is being debated, the issue of diesel subsidy rationalization, which we are determined. But we do take extra care to make sure that the poorest element in our society are not affected adversely by this program. So we do provide subsidies for the very poor, fishermen, smallholders, and taxi drivers, and school buses. These things are being, and we hope through that sort of arrangement we can save another 4 billion ringgit. So subsidization. This has reference to the World Competitiveness Report, because one of the major criticism is our failure, or at least lack of determination and commitment to undertake these seemingly unpopular measures, but we did. All right. So, to my mind, that by itself would resolve the second major component of the criticism against the economic performance in Malaysia, and I hope, inshallah, next year we'll register much better report. Otherwise, you know how I would have to be forced to make some minor reshuffle in the cabinet. There's only way to save the Prime Minister by making. All right.